Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.system.com. I'm making this video about Aussie index and Aussie dollar index and some Aussie pairs. Plus, I'll show you some like gold and all that, right? So let's get started here. The important thing that I have a Aussie dollar index, and it is right here. This is a weekly chart. By the way, let me show you the monthly chart. It's like this. So this is 4,800 right here, and this is a pretty big move to the upside and might get stopped here and then retrace. If not, if we go above this, then these couple of numbers would be the target. The 4,800 here and 4,199, not 4,199, sorry, this 40 to 48.42. Right. So these are a couple of numbers. Like I said, that if you go even higher than that, then it's a different story. But I'm expecting a drop. Why? Because of Euro-Aussie, Pound-Aussie pairs that I see. So here, one more look on the weekly chart. This is how it is, 4,800, big move, right? So what's going to happen if we get stopped here and then this thing try to retrace back to this wave, last wave 4, Aussie dollar going to get weaker and Euro-Aussie, Pound-Aussie will have a chance to go up. Why I'm looking at that scenario is this chart here. First, Euro-Aussie. Euro-Aussie, you can see here that it start dropping from the top after making the high, right? And then it will retrace here. So this, we can see clearly that this could be wave 1 and 2. Now, wave 3 usually is 1.618 of wave 1. So if you draw the fib expansion here, we came down all the way to kiss that level here, 61%, right? No, oh, sorry, 1.618, right? So that means that seems like this is wave 3 finishing, and we have a reversal candle already, and we have a 40-minute blue candle. It's underway. And after that, what need to be done is we need to go to 7-minute chart and look for the entry. Hopefully, right now is 10:32 p.m., so it's the slowest time. Nothing is going to move. So maybe in London session, you might be able to get a long entry from the 7-minute chart. That's what I'm looking for, and that's what I want to show here. Second pair involve Aussie dollar is Pound Aussie and almost do the same thing, expansion tool here. And this one is not quite touching the 1.618, but it's very close. And after that, here, see this weekly S2 came in the way and kind of like bouncing now. We have a reversal candle. We have one blue candle already in place, and the second blue candle is underway. So we might be able to get a 7-minute long entry in this pair as well. That's why I think that Aussie dollar index is gonna drop from 4,800 and will make these pair able to go to the upside for wave 4 if this is wave 3. And I think, Euro Aussie is like 99.9% is wave 3. So it's 1, 2, 3, and then just like this one, A, B, C, we're gonna go up for 38% of wave 3, wave 4, wave 4. Okay, so these two pairs, keep an eye on that, and any other pair. Beside this, I usually watch this pair. It's not, I'm not able to, I don't know. Forget about that. So just pay attention to these two, you'll do just fine. Let's go take a look at gold quickly, right? And then oil nowadays very important, right? So you gotta see what oil is doing. Now, gold chart, my daily chart is like this, right? So if you remember when I made the chart, when we were going for in this area, we were here. So I said we're gonna go up for wave 1, and let me see if I can get that chart. And let me see gold. Uh, okay, not gonna come like that. So daily. Okay, daily I made this one probably on 29. So not even this one. Let me go back even a little bit. Maybe this one. You can see it maybe here. See, on 14th, I made this chart, right? Saying that this thing is going to go up a little bit more for wave one, then it's going to drop for wave two to this high here, then it's going to go up for wave three, four, five. And that's exactly what is happening. We have dropped here. We finished wave one, then we drop here for wave two. Not quite 61%, but yes, very close, 50%. We touched 50%, and now slowly we go into the upside. So look at the 4 hour chart, and that is what it is. It's wave one, ABC two, and then after that, I would say this is the wave two ending here, finally. Right? And then we made small wave one, and then this is A, B, C, small wave two, followed by wave three, four, five to the upside. It's coming. So my other chart that I use for gold, not this one, I would say, where the heck that chart go? This one, maybe, I don't know. These are the entry charts. Actually, the gold is on the other computer, so let me see. Even forget about that. So forget right now. See this even this chart. Remember, gold. I make the entry from this, so it is not bullish just yet, right? Bullish would be like this, right? So we need that to go long again if it's start to go to the upside, right? But idea is that yes, it is gonna go from here. This is probably small wave one and two, and then going up to wave three, four, five. Overall, all in all, is gonna go doing this. Wave three. We can say that wave three of three is underway. Well, that's complicated. So that's just the idea that it's going to go up for wave three. It's in this wave three right now, right? So I'll prefer only long. That's it. No short. Even if I see a setup, I'm not going to take short. I'll take only long. I have taken long, so, a few already, 3 or 4 long, beautiful trades. So this is what the gold is doing. What about oil? Let's go take a look at oil. Oil is right here. Come on, buddy. Okay, the oil you can see here. What the heck is that? No, that's not oil. That's Bitcoin. Get it. Now, oil is, you can see here that this is my chart here. And then, well, start with the monthly chart, right? So monthly chart and whatever that, I'm going to close it here just to show you that, what it is right now. So I made this chart a long time ago saying that this wave, big wave three is going to be coming up because this is wave one, this is wave two. Now, this wave two is right here. Wave one, two, and then we started to go to the upside for wave three. But what the heck is that? It's not very clear here. So we go even down to daily chart, and then we can see that this is exactly what's happening, right? So if this is wave two. Now wave three is starting. Out of that, we have this black count 1, 2, and then black count 3 will start here, which will also have 5 waves. So this is 1, 2 are done, and we go in for wave 3, off wave 3, off wave 3. If I'm not crazy, if I'm making any sense, then this is what it is. Try to understand that. It's a little bit complicated, but it's not rocket science. It's very easy if you understand it. So this is wave 3 of this black count, wave 3 of this count, wave 1, 2, and wave 3, right? So this is what's happening here. Wave 3 of 3 of 3. So that wave 3 will, finish the black Roman count, and that would be end of this wave 3. Then we will go for wave 4, 5, and that will make the end of this wave 3. And then we will drop a wave 4. All right. So this one, you can even see on a 4-hour chart more clear that this blue count, wave 1, wave 1 of this wave 3 of this wave 3. Then this is wave 2 of this wave 3 of this wave 3. So what we are doing here now, I made this chart yesterday that we're going to go up. So wave 3 of this wave 3 of this wave 3. So in other words, we're going to the upside, right? And this is how it is. So I'm going to be looking for long here as well. And let's see what happens, right? So just wanted to make this video, a small video. Yen pairs are not doing anything right now because yen index is stuck. And Let's see what happens when they start to move or plan to start to move. I'll let you know if I see any sign of movement. But for now, I'm paying attention to oil, gold, and Euro-AUD, pound-AUD. Let's see if we get some entries tonight. Right, pound-AUD was dropping. While it was dropping to this level here, I had yesterday I had a trade. Today I had a trade. I got this one and I got this one as well, both entries. Let me show it to you. This is how easy it is if you know Elliott wave and the calculation that what it was going for 1.618. So very easy. Let's see. This one was yesterday. Oh, come on, man. Why it's not okay? You see that? Not big trade, but 75 pip because moving slow. And then this one here, gold, like I said, that I'm only taking long. So this was a big move to the upside. So I got that. And then this was the first I just showed you, and then the second today for 65 pip. Now it is very close to 1.618. So, and already posted a reversal candle. So that's why I got out. And now I'll be looking for long. So yeah, with the calculation, you do the right calculation and then you stick to that, your plan, and then trade your plan, and you'll do just fine. All right. So this is it for now. And hopefully, I'll make a separate video later on tomorrow for gold and oil and all that. I was planning to make today, but got busy. So I said, at least I'll make this Euro-AUD, pound-AUD, making a good setup. Let's see what happens. Gold, by the way, if I show you this one, it's a 20-minute chart. In fact, let me see a 40-minute chart. Gold, or there was oil. Oh, this is oil. Sorry. But forget about that. I'll show in a separate video. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. How do I close it? Okay. I always forget, man. All right, stop.